Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson. I want to show you another screen reading tool that's available to you. So I talked to you about the immersive reader, so you can go back and watch that video as well. But this tool is an extension that's already added to your school Chromebooks. So this is already there. It looks like a little megaphone that you might shout through to say something and it make your voice louder. So that extension is already there, and if you want to use it, all you have to do is click on it. The nice thing about this tool is it's available everywhere on the web. So if you're working on something that's not in Canvas, that doesn't have an immersive reader, you can still use this tool. I like this tool also because you can still see the Canvas page, unlike with the immersive reader where it took you to that alternate page. You can still see the page and it just brings the text as to what it's reading into another text box. So let me show you what that looks like. So I just click on that little icon.
Homepage. Welcome to Mrs. Nelson's Resource Language Arts class. Hi, I am Mrs. Nelson.
I'm just going to pause that. So now you can see what it looks like. It brings up this little box here, this pop-up box, and it shows you the same text that's on the screen, but you can still see the text on your screen. Notice, though, there's not a video that comes after Meet Your Teacher, and there's no indication that there is a video. So like the immersive reader, it doesn't indicate if there's a picture or a video or something that's on the page, but at least with this one, compared to the immersive reader, you can still see that those images and those pictures, so that you know that they, those images and those videos, so you know that they exist. So let me show you a few features that are available. So as you're listening, you can advance a sentence at a time so that you can jump to the part that you want to read. So watch this.
Hi, I am Mrs. Nelson. I will give you short assignments and meet within.
You can also jump to the text that you want to read.
Meet your teacher. I'm here to help.
By using your mouse. So all I did was I clicked my mouse where I wanted it to read.
Hi, I am Mrs. Nelson. I am your resource language art.
There's a few options that you can do here. You can expand this pop-up box so it's a little larger. See, it's even gone off the area of the screen that I'm recording. I'm going to make it smaller again. You can make the text size larger. So again, for visual purposes or tracking purposes, you can make it bigger, or you can make the text smaller. It only goes that small right there though. But you choose what works for you. Also, if you just click out of here,
Hi, I am Mrs. Nelson.
Excuse me, if you click the stop button, you'll have this settings wheel that you're used to seeing. This will also give you options for changing the settings for how things are read to you. So you click on that settings wheel and you can change the voice, but you have to be careful because, for example, if I picked this one right here, it's not going to read to me in English anymore.
Aloud est une extension Chrome et Firefox qui utilise la technologie de synthèse vocale pour convertir le texte d'une page web
So
en audio.
if I click that reset button,
Read Aloud is a Chrome and Firefox extension
it
that
takes
uses
me right back
text-to-speech.
to that default. So if you do change that on accident, you're not sure which voice it was, you just click that reset button. It will take you back to all the default settings. So you can increase the speed just like you could with the immersive reader, so you could slow it down a little bit.
Read Aloud is a Chrome and Firefox extension that uses text-to-speech technology.
Okay, so I'm going to reset it. You can speed it up a little bit as well. You can change the pitch of the voice. So some of us hear better at higher pitches or lower pitches. So if that makes it easier for you to hear the person and understand the words that they're saying, then definitely change the pitch. So the pitch is how high or low the voice is. So we'll listen to that.
Read Aloud is a Chrome and Firefox extension that uses text-to-speech technology to convert web page texts.
So those are the options in regards to changes you can make. Again, what do you do if you've made a change and you don't like it, but you don't remember what the default was? You just click that reset button and it will reset everything to those default settings. And again,
Homepage.
to access
Welcome
this,
to Mrs. Nelson.
to access this, you click that little megaphone icon, and you can do this on any web page.
Homepage. Welcome to Miss.
You can pause the text at any time.
Homepage. Welcome to Mrs. Nelson's Resource Language Arts class. Homepage.
Notice it doesn't go back to the last word you read. It starts the sentence over, or in this case, it's a group of two sentences. But you can advance using the arrows.
Hi, I am Mrs. Nelson. I am your resource link.
You can advance using those arrows to get to where you want to in the text. Just know that it's going to start over, which I think is a great feature, so that you don't lose track of what else has happened in the sentence so far, and that we don't lose that comprehension. And when you're done with this, you can just click the little megaphone and it disappears. Or you can stop it and it will make it smaller for a little bit while you look at your page. Maybe you watch this video and then you go back to using that tool again to read aloud. So again, this is already installed on your computer that you checked out from Canyons School District. If for some reason it's not there or it's not working, let me know and I will help you or get you the help that we need to make that work for you. So you have two choices in Canvas, the Immersive Reader, which we watched a video already, and then also this Read Aloud extension that's available to you as well on Canyon School District computers. Definitely use those, definitely adjust those so that they fit your needs and they appear and sound and work the way that you want them to. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.